In this problem, we are told that we have 4 different gifts in a bag. And those 4 different gifts are going to be distributed to 4 different people. The first person will be able to get any one of the 4 possible gifts. So there will be 4 different possibilities to go to the first person. The remaining 3 different gifts will then be able to go to the second person. The 2 remaining gifts will then be able to go to the third person, and the last gift will go to the fourth person. Any one of the 4 possible gifts that go to the first person can be combined with any of the 3 possible gifts that would go to the second person, which can then be combined with any of the 2 possible gifts that would go to the third person, which would then be combined with only the single gift that would be left over to go for the fourth person. Therefore, all the possible combinations of 4 gifts going to the 4 different people are 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is equal to 24.